Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hopefully everyone is doing well. If you are getting married in the next 4 to 6 months, you are probably considering getting your wedding invitations. One of the most important things to keep in mind is that the wedding invitation sets the tone for your wedding. So if you are doing a formal wedding, you're going to want to write that on your invitation. If you're doing semi-formal, same thing. But here's a few tips on how to tie in your design for your wedding with your wedding invitation. So I have one of the acrylic, I'm just going to put it on the back of a notebook because you won't be able to see it otherwise. I have one of the acrylic invitations from Elegant Wedding Invites right here. So this type of font selected for this wedding invitation can also be used on your place cards, on your table numbers, on your menu cards. But it's really, really important that when you select a font for your wedding, that you keep it cohesive throughout, because your photographer is probably going to ask you for an extra wedding invitation for the wedding day, so they can take photos, flat lay photos with your wedding bouquet, with your day of stationery, and you're gonna want it all to be very similar. So an example, this primarily white with a few different colors, that's probably your wedding color or one of your main wedding colors. So if this is your wedding invitation and your actual colors are yellow and hot pink, probably doesn't make sense. So it's really, really important to set the tone for your wedding through your wedding invitation. The other thing to keep in mind is that this wedding invitation should match the flowers, the colors, the decor that you have on your wedding day. Same thing, so when your photographer takes photos, your entire photo album is cohesive. Your guests know what to expect and they're not taken aback by something. If you're doing a Halloween theme wedding, put your Halloween theme on your wedding invitation. Make it very, very personal, very, very unique to you. So in this case, they've added some flowers. I don't know if you can see these at the top. I'm gonna put my hand in front of it so you can see. These are probably the flowers in this person's wedding bouquet. I hope that you like these tips. Please let me know if you have any questions. Send me a DM, send me an email. I'd be happy to help. Have a great evening.